to kiss me.
Hello everyone, my name is Silva Ramadhani. I am from class 10 of DPB1. I will tell you the story of the cat and butterfly. Enjoy watching. Cat and butterfly. One day, on the outskirts of the city, there was a cat hotel which was popular. In the hot afternoon, there was a cat with cat to go out from the hotel. The cat was running around until around Denley Forest, around the forest to the there was a butterfly which was interesting attention to the cat and follow him into the forest. Then butterfly said, "Come on, follow me enter the forest to see plants which very beautiful. You certain will like it." Then cat wits answered, "I will follow you." Happily, the cat ran and followed butterfly into the forest. In the middle of the journey, the hinder be a wolf which hungry. They tried to avoid the wolf, but the wolf still hunted them. But they still used full effort to avoid wolf. With effort and their cooperation, finally they could be safe from the wolf that was hungry. Then they continued their journey to go the forest. When they arrived into the forest, they saw flowers which were very beautiful. There were also some friends from butterfly. Then they entered the flowers garden and they all played with great joy until at late night. After that, the cat realized if it was late night. The cat panicked and asked the butterfly to come back to the front of the forest. Then all butterfly delivered. The cat returned from to the of the forest and the cat returned to the hotel. Finally, the cat called to meet its friend again. Thank you for watching.